Good morning to all students. I am going to tell about Velur Revolt 1806. Contents: Introduction, causes for the revolt, course of the rebellion, causes for the failure of the unity, result. Introduction. The Velur Mutiny on 10 July 1806 was the first instance of a large-scale and violent mutiny by Indian Sepoy against the East India Company, predicting the Indian Rebellion of 1857 by half a century. The revolt, which took place in the South India city of Vellore, lasted on full day, during which mutineers seized the Vellore fort and killed or wounded 200 British troops. The mutiny was supported by cavalry and artillery from Arcot. Summary executions of about 100 mutineers took place during the suppression of the outbreak, killing over 600 of the mutineers, followed by the formal court material of smaller numbers. Cases of the revolt. The immediate cases of the mutiny revolved mainly around resentment felt towards changes in the Chipai dress code introduced in November 1805. Hindus were prohibited from wearing religious mark on their forehead while on duty, and Muslims were required to shave their beards and trim their mustaches. In addition, General Sir John Cradock, Commander-in-Chief of the Madras Army, ordered the wearing of a round hat resembling that associated at the time with both Europeans in general and the Indian convert to Christianity. Courses of the rebellion. The Indian soldiers were waiting for an opportunity to attack the English officer. Tipu Sultan's family also took part. Patak Hitler, the elder son of Tipu Sultan, tried to form an alliance against the English. On July 10th, in the early morning, the native Sepoy of the 1st and 23rd Regiment started the revolt. Colonel Pancourt, who commanded the garrison, was their first victim. The port gates were closed. Meantime, the rebels proclaimed Pat Kitter as their new rule. The British flag in the port was proud town. The tiger stripped flag of Tipu Sultan was hoisted on the fort on Vellore, suppressions of the revolt. Cases for the failure of mutiny. The new method and uniform regulation were withdrawn. The family of Tipu Sultan, as a precautionary measure, was sent to Calcutta. William Cavendish pending was removed from his service, causes for the failure of the revolt. There were no proper leadership to guide the soldiers properly. The rebellion was also not well organized. Divide and rule policy of the English split the unit of the Indians. B.T. Sarkar called the Velu Revolt of 1806 as the prelude to the First War of India independence in 1857. Result: many Indian soldiers were arrested and imprisoned. Tipu's family was taken to Calcutta and kept in prison for more than 6 years. The mutiny revealed the patriotic and the revengeful attitude of the Indians toward the British. Though the mutiny failed, it became a prelude to First War of India independence of 1857. Thank you.